Hey, this is Tom here from Buses for Sale in front of a 2010 Bluebird Vision. This one's got a Cummins engine and an automatic Allison transmission. And overall, the body is in good shape. It has nice tires. Everything that you would expect out of a bus from Buses for Sale. And we'll take a look at the undercarriage here. And as you can see, nice and clean underneath. And let's go take a look inside. Stairs are in good shape. Driver's seat's in good condition. And these interiors have mid-back brown leather seating. The seats are slightly shorter than your typical high back seats because the bus is a little bit of an older vehicle. And let's take a look at the engine.